Okay, after that oxalic acid bath, like, I decided to just like use the sandblaster to get rid of all the rust and then those little patches of paint, because like, I mean, the rust like rusted all the way through the paint, so even though it looked like it was paint, it just like crusted off. So you can see the paint is literally like encrusted in rust. So even if the surface might look nice, like underneath it's going to be rust. So because this one didn't really have any paint, I'll just restore it. See how well it will look in the end. Right now I'm gonna go put our rust primer anti-rust paint onto it to like protect it so it doesn't rust anymore, and we'll see how it looks like. It should be black afterwards. Welcome back. As you can see, I have filled the holes. So now it's like, you can see there's a lot of fiberglass in here. Not much, just like 2 layers. You can't really see much. And the edge was broken off right here. Maybe fixing it. Yeah, you can see it was missing there. So yeah, that's it so far. Next I will sand the insides and maybe redo it, or start like filling in the holes. Okay, I am back after doing like 2 layers of fiberglass in here. It's not that well sanded yet. One is like spray paint so I can see where like bumps are and everything. Yeah, I've also just like smeared some resin on top and started sanding it. And I'm gonna go to fill all these gaps. You can see the surface is really rough. Yeah, I'm gonna fill those gaps and then I'll continue.